Good morning, boys and girls. Please turn to page 10 in your What About Robots text. Today, Mrs. Weiss has a challenge. We are going to listen to pages 10 and 11. Your challenge is to find one positive effect of technology. Listen carefully and follow along. Put your finger on the top of page 10 by robots. Dangerous jobs. Robots can do dangerous jobs. They can clean up chemical spills and toxic waste in nuclear plants. Robots can defuse bombs. Robots can be used in earthquakes and other disasters. There may be fires or gas leaks. Damaged walls could collapse. Rescuers risk their own lives when they search for survivors. So robotic scouts, instead of human rescuers, search for survivors. Robotic scouts can access dangerous areas. They have cameras and gas detectors that send information to the rescuers. The rescuers use the data to do an analysis of the situation. Robots can carry food, medicine, and other things to survivors. Some robots can carry survivors out of the wreckage. Space is another dangerous place for humans. A robotic astronaut can go to space. It can explore the terrain or surface of planets. It can pick up samples. A robotic astronaut doesn't need to breathe, eat, or keep warm like a human.